Hello children and dear parents. Hope you all are healthy and safe at home. Good morning. This is Richa, your computer teacher, and I am here to teach class 5 students first chapter Evaluation of Computers. Well students, you can see that I have created this chapter on the screen and you are going to follow the texts. Whether it is given in your textbook, it is going to be seen on the screen. So, kindly see the screen and follow the text. Read along with me so that you can understand the explanation well. Alright students, be ready and look on the screen carefully. So, students, as you see here, your first chapter is Evaluation of Computers. These are the outlines. In this chapter, we are going to know about history of computer, various calculating devices, early IT inventors, ANIVAC and UNIVAC first, generations of computers, types of computer. Student, I am going to explain you this chapter in 4 sections. In our first section, I will explain you history of computer, various calculating devices. In second, early IT inventors, ANIVAC and UNIVAC. In third, generations of computer, and in our last section, types of computers. So, I hope you guys are ready to study about evaluation of computer. Okay, let's begin. Every aspect of our life in this present era has been influenced by the most advanced machine known as computer. Initially, computers were used only by scientists and engineers for complex calculations and were very expensive. Nowadays, computers can be afforded by small organizations and individuals. The widespread use of computers has made them indispensable at almost every workplace. Computers are used extensively in banks, hospitals, media and entertainment, offices, factories, schools, homes, space technology and research, railways, airports, and so on. The term computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. But a computer is not limited to performing only calculation. As you know, a computer is a versatile device that can handle different applications at the same time. So students, do you know how a computer came into the existence? The present day computer is entirely different from the earlier devices that were invented for doing calculation. Let us glance through the major milestones in the journey leading to the evolution of the present day computer. Let us first know about the history of computer. As you know students, the computer has become such a basic necessity nowadays. I wonder what life would have been without a computer. But There was a time when there was no computers. To know about the history of computer, we have to go back to the days when people used the abacus to calculate calculations. Yes, student, you heard it right. The abacus. Do you remember it? You have used it during your kindergarten days. This is abacus. I am sure now you remember this. You have used it in your kindergarten days. The abacus was the first counting device. It was invented about 5000 years ago in China. Yes, it was the first counting device and it was 5000 years ago made. So students, let's know more about abacus. It was made up of a wooden frame consisting of rods each having bits in them. You see here this red line. This is made up of a wooden frame, each consisting of rods and each having bits in them. These are rods and these black balls are bits. The frame was divided into two parts. This one is the first part, this one is the second part. First part is known as heaven, second part is known as earth. This is called heaven and this is called earth. Each rod in heaven had two bits. You can count it 1 and 2. So heaven had 2 bits and each rod in earth had 5 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood? See, 2. Here it is 5. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Understood now? Okay. Now, let us now discuss about the Pascaline. Do you know Pascaline? No. Let's take a look. This man is Pascaline. The Pascaline is the first mechanical calculator in the world, which is invented by a French mathematician who is called Blaise Pascal in 1642 at the age of 19. Yes, student, at the age of 19. Can you believe that? He invented this only at the age of 19. So amazing, na? So, students, now let's more about Pascaline. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the first mechanical calculator at the age of 19 in year 1642. In year 1642. Pascaline is made up of wheels and gears. Wheels and gears. It could handle decimal values by rotating a wheels. These are wheels and here you can see numbers. Take a look here. These are wheels and here the numbers. The Pascaline is made up of wheels and gear. It could handle decimals value by rotating a wheels from 1 to 9 steps. It is used to adding numbers quickly. Understand now? A taximeter is perfect example of mechanical calculator. Taximeter. Do you know taximeter? Have you ever seen taximeter? Taximeter is a calculating device which is used in taxi. Here it calculates the fuel and also the price. Then the taxi driver took money from their customers according to this taximeter. It is a perfect example of mechanical calculator. Understand? Now let's move on our another calculating device, which is Leibniz calculator. This is Leibniz calculator. He is Leibniz. Leibniz, the famous German mathematician, invented the mechanical device called Leibniz calculator in 1671. It was an improvisation on Pascal's machine. Apart from performing addition and subtraction, the Leibniz calculator could even do multiplication, division, and find square roots. Understood? This is used for multiplication, division, and square roots. Okay? So, students, here our both topic finished. Now